gazelle, ladies and gentlemen. She's a 14-year-old Asian elephant. And she weighs about 7,000 pounds. I guess now with me on her, she weighs about 7,070 pounds. Don't you, Daffodil? Okay, you ready for your illusion? Okay. Just stay calm. Steady, girl. Steady. Steady. Just relax. Where are you going? Steady. Calm down. Calm down. Okay. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you won't believe it, but the elephant is now gone!
Thank you.